Councils held in heaven's realm, ere earth and time were ever framed. The Lord declared His sacred purpose, and spoke aloud the chosen name. Through ages yet in glory unfolding, His will shall ever be made known. A work revealed to all the nations, by one His voice alone shall own. And guilty spoken widely in every land and every tongue. A name the Lord has lifted boldly, by word and witness ever sung. Not praise alone, nor scorn alone shall bind it, but truth the endless ages claim. The Lord proclaimed to all the road below, a fame a living sacred name. For good and ill 'tis spoken widely in every land and every tongue. A name the Lord has lifted boldly, by word and witness ever sung.
The powers of earth in pride would gather, in judgment false and vainly proud, to silence heaven's chosen servant before the vast and watching crowd.
Yet opposition never falters, where prophecy is firmly sealed. What God declares in heaven above, on earth is thus in truth revealed. Good and ill 'tis spoken widely in every land and every tongue. The name the Lord has lifted boldly, by word and witness ever sung. Though stone and still may swiftly perish, and mortal towers crumble fall, the name the Lord has spoken clearly shall rise triumphant over all.
Not divided in proclamation, not rival truth or fleeting flame. One angel bore the holy message, one trumpet, one eternal law.
Thus why not break in pride asunder? The Lord has joined forever one. His word moves